I'm trying to break up. I act like I'm crying in the bathroom. I don't know if anybody here can say anything. I know so many people know. Before anybody knows this, what I'm doing here, I'll probably be in 20 minutes before they notice what I'm doing in the bathroom. Because right now they probably think I'm pooping or something. And I try to just act like I was crying. And it didn't work. I got the door locked. So we're going to see if they care about me for real. Because at this moment, it's not giving that they care about me. They running their mouth. So we'll see. So I'm finna just sit in here and read my goddamn book. And that is what it is. I think, which I'm gonna call first. I don't think my coach gonna call me. Like, dang, he was probably like, dang, no, where's the girl? But he ain't come to the door, so we'll see. We gonna see what's happening. See how, if it turned right. Excuse my ratchetness, I went swimming yesterday. And my hair frizzed up. And I haven't had this hair for 2 weeks, and I gotta take it out already, because he wanna do what he wanna do.
Seconds later, 346 minutes later, much later, 3 days later.
Nobody have not came and checked on me yet. 20 minutes. My feet don't fell asleep. I was taking this long for somebody gonna check on me 20 minutes. I just be dropping 1 or 2 turds, and you ain't even came to the door yet. What's taking so long? But they had said, drinking and take no incense, and that's what they were saying. Drinking and take no incense. I'm not ashamed. I'm ashamed. I'm over here crying. Okay. Let me try to cry now. I don't even know how to cry out.
The fuck are you doing?
I'm just in the door. I don't close the door. They ain't paying me attention. The TV is so loud. My phone hurts me.
Supergirl. Hey.
Sir.
You alright?
Yes.
Huh? I'm asking you, are you alright?
Yes.
No. Supergirl.
Sir. Sir.
Huh?
Yeah. Sir.
You alright?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Well, I can't hear you really. Say it louder. You alright? Supergirl.
Yeah.
Are you alright? Drake.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, open the door. Open the door if you're okay. Open the door. Let's see.
No, I'm okay.
Sound like you're in there crying.
No.
Huh?
Okay.
Come to the door. I can't hear you. If you can, if you're not on the commode or nothing.
JJ, you can't be doing that. Gonna call the ambulance.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
Okay, but I just do up stuff. This door can't lock this one. No. In the bathroom, but just my door, but yeah, what's up? But she's saying she okay, so. Like I said, it sounds like she's crying.
Well, we gotta use the bathroom. G.
Got to piss like a Russian racehorse in the Kentucky Derby with a glue truck behind him.
You alright?
Stop. Cut it out. Stop.
The fuck are you doing?
Get out.
What's wrong with you?
Get out.
What's wrong with you?
Get out. Shut up. Let me give me a second. Get out for a second.
Alright. As long as you're alive. Let me tell you.
Damn, don't. I enjoyed this prank because I would never do this to my coach. He was really concerned. And I'm good. Okay. Check on your people. Check on your people. You don't know what they're thinking. Check on your people. I think I hit the bathroom though. I don't even think I'm gonna tell him it's a prank. He really gonna think I'm be sad, but I'm not sad.